Salud, folks! Now you're about to find out why trading is for you and how to unleash your potential to the max. This is the Max Bot channel. My many years of experience allows me to say directly those things that many people on the vastness of the internet prefer to keep silent. I want to help you. And I am also helped by a smart robot that monitors indicators and generates detailed reports and recommendations. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. Subscribe and click on the bell. I will be very grateful for likes and comments. So, I start working on the pound-yen currency pair. This is a 5-minute time frame. The signal from the AI is buy. 4 indicators are glowing green. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. I see a prolonged flat on historical data. I think that soon the price will decline a bit and will push back from the support zone again, which will help the bulls to strengthen their positions within the time frame I have chosen. I have sped up the price movement for easy viewing. Guys, right now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience, it is not financial advice, I show how I do it. The most critical rule in trading is simple. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on any single trade. With a $500 account, that means risking $5 to $10. With $1,000, it's $10 minus 20 max. No exceptions. That rule is what keeps your account alive long enough to build real consistency. Why? Because surviving the drawdowns matters more than winning a single trade. Risk small, live to trade another day, compound discipline into gains. Pair your risk rule with position sizing and strict exits. Size the trade so that risk remains within 1 to 2%. Cut losers quickly, let winners run in controlled steps. Build a framework that prevents emotional wrecks. When you trade $1 per setup on $100 and earn 80 cents per win, you're building edge. Scale that to $10 per setup on $1,000 and you earn $8 per win. It's not more skilled, it's the same skill with disciplined scaling. It's the Tony Stark formula. When your environment supports your strength, your impact multiplies. Think of Elon Musk at Tesla's brink, refusing to give up. Or how Michael Jordan was cut from his high school team, only to define legendary success. In cinema, remember The Matrix, Neo didn't believe until he realized the rules could be rewritten. That's you. You're Neo. You can reprogram your results through discipline and repetition. You don't have to do this alone. Our AI signal assistant reads charts, highlights setups, and removes emotion from your entry decisions. It's free for now. 1 month from now, it goes paid. If you're serious about stepping up your game with structured support, click the link below. No hype, just clarity. I know traders who quit full-time jobs after months of disciplined risk control, steady journaling, and scaling with structure. They didn't win overnight. They traded calmly, grew steadily, and transitioned to financial freedom. In the meantime, I've safely completed my first operation and am about to take another step. The investment is 2% of the amount in my pocket. 5 minutes. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. Link below the video. I've now gotten a recommendation from the bot, sell. I see from the historical data that the bears are starting to saturate the market with volume a little more often, which should directly affect the result. Yes, there is now a possibility of a price decline within a sideways movement. Once again, I want to remind you that my team is helping with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only, I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results, your results may vary, they depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Yes, Trading carries risk. Just like starting a business, launching a product, or specializing in any career. But risk isn't the enemy. Unmanaged risk is. By limiting exposure and reviewing each trade, you turn risk into opportunity. Mark major support and resistance zones. Use RSI in divergence setups. Follow MACD crossovers with trade confirmation. Track volume spikes for breakout validity. Analyze previous entries and exits. Did you let emotion in or follow the plan? Journal entries consistently. If you're not recording trades, you're repeating mistakes instead of learning. Drop a comment with, what chart setup gave you your best trade this week? How do you handle stress during losing streaks? What journaling method keeps you disciplined? Your comments help us all improve, and I read them personally. If this video empowered your process, hit like. Subscribe for no-nonsense, structural guidance. Let's build real trading habits, no shortcuts, no fluff. When market charts look red, remember, JK. Rowling was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter reached shelves. Beyoncé paid her dues before becoming a global icon. Steve Jobs was dropped from Apple before building Apple's comeback. Eden Hazard started as a scrappy teenager before becoming a global football star. What kept them going wasn't luck. It was the grind, the habit, the resilience. You have that too. Once more, tell me, which setups you mastered? What pressure management tips are working? How do you review trades after the session? Community growth depends on shared insight. Whenever you doubt your path, remember, every winner started with uncertainty. Every legend was once a beginner. Every advance in history came from those who persisted, learned, adapted. So prepare your account, manage your risk, journal every trade, use intelligent tools, read transparency signals, build strong community habits, because markets don't reward hope, they reward discipline. And that's exactly what you're building.